Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing Don't Press the Button. So what happens if someone presses that button right there, like the red thing, something random gets to happen, like those two people fighting. Alright, so who's gonna win? Is it gonna be that guy standing on top of the avatar or the cat? I'm gonna theorize that it's the cat. Okay. Who's winning? Okay, so far none of them have died yet, and both of them won. Okay. Oh, Reese, yeah, no. Rock can cook at this. I'm actually gonna cook, bro. Come on, you have got to be kidding me. You've actually got to be kidding me. What is this? Okay, so far no one's died yet. Everyone's still alive. And so Happy Bits, Romana, and Quentin run. Oh, wait, people did die because I see shadows like shadows above the water. I wonder who's still alive. So I guess it's those four. Or yeah, I'm guessing it's those four. Okay. What do we do? And we're back. Let's press the button and we deliver the pizza to the correct house. Oh, yes, perfect. 81's right here. Yes, let's go. First place. It's easy. Okay, but how have people not? How's everyone not found their house yet? I mean, I guess they haven't checked the corners yet. I think it was just like this rectangle, which isn't really a rectangle because of the other houses. But I mean, it's pretty clear to see them. Like, you can see them pretty clearly. Right, let's go. And we're here. Let me press the button real quick and find the button. Okay, gotta find the button and it disappeared. Okay, find the button. Where's the button, dude? Dude, tell me where's the button. Where is the button? Okay. No, and there. Press the button again. Grab the most rings. Alright, so dang it, I missed that one. 1, 2. Oh, dang it. 3, 4. Oh wait, so if you press those, you get double. Missed it. I keep missing that. I mean, I still got 4. 5. Wait, 6. 6. Okay, and then we got 7. And now 9. 9. I'm pretty sure I got the most, right? Let's just see who got the most. And Quentin, 14 points. Okay, put out the fires. Bro, I can do this easily, bro. I've been training in firefighter school since forever. We fire up blue. Blue and okay, and it's already gone. Oh no, pink. Fire pink. Pink and got that. Yeah. Fire on orange and green. Bro, I gotta cook. I'm a master firefighter. Alright, let's go. Okay, entire top row.
Hi, friend.
Hello. Sorry, that was just my friend.
He airballed me. I asked him to give me a hug, and he just looked at me.
Yeah, Yeah, look at you. I'm busy putting out fires. I'm being a master firefighter.
Please.
Sure.
We both have a hug.
Can you come here?
Sure. Okay. Which door is correct? Which door is correct?
Please hug me.
No, I won't.
God,
no, I won't. Sorry, I will. Okay. Anyways, those are just some.
You could have hugged him. That doesn't count.
Okay, so which door is right? Just ignore that.
Pretty, yeah.
All right, let's go. Which door is correct? And Let's click
You are Ed
in.
Sheeran.
No one did it. No one. Okay, so no one made it. Oh wait, I can reach the top easily. Bro, I can reach the top easily. Yeah, I'm able to reach. Oh, come on. It didn't even touch me. It didn't even touch me. This game is just so glitched. Ooh. Oh, dang it. Yeah, it didn't even touch me. Alright, let's go. And, alright, okay. And I made it, yeah, I made it, along as everybody else. Okay, click. Oh, wait, snowball fight. Oh, it's a snowball fight, yeah, a snowball fight. Well, I can do this easily. Oh, I'm already down half health, got flinged across. Wait, let me hide behind Santa's sleigh. Wait, this is smart. I'm really hiding behind Santa's sleigh, bro. No one's even gonna notice. Bro. Also, just off topic. Wait, what was I gonna say? Okay, I don't remember, actually. Oh, bro, I'm cooking and hiding. Well, let's go. They're never gonna find me here. They're never gonna find me. Yeah, Spectate the fight. Okay, bro, everyone's cooking. I mean, that girl is just not doing anything. Let's just get out. I'm gonna knock this girl off. I'm gonna get the girl. I mean, I already got her, so that's good. Okay, I'm already down to half health. Wait, don't fall down the lava. Okay, don't fall down in the lava. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, like a long box. Okay, another long box, and without and a box. Oh, shipping container. Two shipping containers. That's two this time, and okay. Box. Another box. Shipping container. Shipping container. Okay, this is actually kind of hard. Ooh. Okay, let's go. We got this. And yeah, we won, yay! Yeah, we won. Okay, let's press it 2 more times, then that's it. Oh, enter the cave. Enter the cave. Alright, let's go. And what's in the cave? Wait, I know these types of games. I know it. Well, I've played these like thousands of times. And let's hide here. She's gonna get killed by spikes. And well, how is she? Of course, she has a speed potion. Okay, let's go. Oh, and that's easy. I can reach it. Yes. Okay, and we made it. Okay, we made it. All right. So apparently that guy pressed it. So far we won. Okay, so let's look a shot. Wait, Witch Brew may have serious side effects. What are the side effects? Cheeseburgers. What's the Witch Brew? Flex my money. Okay, so I have a torch, a small potion, a drum, a bunch of balloons, and a builder's tool, balloons, trumpet, and hot sauce. Bro, immediately I got slapped. I predict I'm gonna win. I'm going to win this. I'm gonna win this. Just watch. I'm already winning. No. We're gonna get more than Romina. Not Romina. Bro, yeah. Yeah, let's go. Watch me cook. Watch me. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. No, I'm still gonna win. I'm still gonna win. And yeah, look at me. Look at me on top of there. Dang it. Apparently pie blocks got me. And let's get Destiny. Oh, no. Well, go. Go. Come on. Yes. I'm up here. Here, slap this guy. Get this guy away. Hey, 21. How was that? And, I lost some red health. Yes, I won! 21 points. Let's go. Okay. Maybe this time, if 2 more tries and then I'm done. Alright, so, flooding. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get there first, bro. No, like, not gonna lie. Oh, come on, Romina. Of course, bro. It's like the speed potion. Of course, the speed potion helps. Let's go. And we're up here. All right. So, okay, rob the bank. Okay. Let's go. I'm robbing the bank, and we're here. Okay, we gotta avoid the lasers. Let's stop. The laser's gonna come back. Man, stop. Yep. Oh, okay. That was close. Robbing the bank. The bank, and we got the bag. Okay, going back. And I did it. I robbed the bank. I actually robbed the bank. Wow. Anyways, yeah, look at me. I've been pressing the button like 90% of the time. Okay, maybe not 90% of the time, but like a good amount. I've been pressing it. Alright, so people still haven't gone back. It's just us four. Or Quentin, Romina, and Estrella. Is anyone else gonna come? And pie blocks. Is anyone else other than pie blocks new coming? Pretty sure there's like not all of us. Okay, let's click it. And where is the ground? Okay, go. Gotta go. Go down, and yes, we made it. Okay, let me know if you want any more content like this, and well, bye.